Hi guys, I'm back with the second part of the 2020 setup in my new bullet journal from Nuuna. And now I'm showing you the recap of what I did last time. Today I'm starting with the growth tracker. I want to start tracking how my Instagram and my YouTube account grow and how they work, and if I need to do something differently to see more growth and so on. So I just wanted to track it this time. Here I'm writing out the words and then I'm filling in the downward strokes just to add a touch of calligraphy, and then I'm drawing the little floral doodles since I'm doing a lot of florals in this bullet journal. Just as last time, I'm using the Staedtler pigment liner in the tip size 0.5 because I think it gives the nicest black lines and it's very pigmented. Here I'm drawing out lines where I can put the little flags on with the different milestones in the growth. So on the upper line I'm putting all my YouTube flags, and on the lower line there will be all my Instagram milestones. I'm using some craft paper as well for this spread. I'm just gluing in those little ripped out pieces of craft paper. I thought it added something special to the pages. So YouTube I started on the 1st of December of this year, and this is going to be my 4th video on my YouTube channel, and I have to say it's been quite a fun experience for me. I always have been, not always, but I've been on Instagram for a few years now with my bullet journal, and right now I'm at 4.2k. But I hope I can inspire some more of you guys to use a bullet journal and to organize yourselves, and I would love you to become part of the community. So on the next page I'm starting with my YouTube video ideas. I just needed a page where I can put all my brain dumps for ideas that I get in the shower. When I'm laying down in bed, sometimes you get the craziest and best ideas when you don't sit in front of your bullet journal. So I just wanted to have a place where I can put those. And then I'm starting with the last days of December. Although this is going to be a 2020 bullet journal, we're currently in December, a few days left until Christmas, and I still wanted to have some place for me to write down my last to-dos of this year. So for this spread I'm using some craft paper as well as printed paper. I found this printed paper in my stock, which is very Christmassy. It's dark green with white and red dots on it, and I thought it fitted the theme of the Christmas month very, very nicely. And then I wrote down last days of Christmas. No, that's not what I wrote down. I wrote down last days of December 2019. After that, I also did some fake calligraphy on the cursive last and December. And then I thought I needed something more to make the pages a little bit more festive. So I looked at my sticker stash and I found some golden stickers that I could put on top of it. They are from a sticker set that I bought in a German supermarket at Aldi a few years ago, I think. They're just cut out birds on mistletoe leaves, and then I'm putting some more snowflakes and a few golden highlight points here and there, and then I'm finished with those pages as well. So on the last page of my video I'm planning my current week, which is week 51 of 2019. I also put some craft paper and some printed paper on top of the left page because, since you all know, we have 7 weekdays, and so the 8th spot on the page is going to be empty. And then I'm writing out December, or in short just this, and then putting the weekdays on top of each box. So here's a summary of my spreads. This is the growth tracker, then the YouTube video ideas. After that, the last days of December. And how pretty are those stickers? I really like them. And then my week before Christmas. So I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please make sure to like and subscribe. I wish you the happiest Christmas with your family and friends. I will talk to you in my next video, which will be coming out on next Monday. Have a nice one. Bye bye.